How to choose the best HVAC equipment when you have an HVAC inside your house. The most important thing that you need to know are the things that should be done to find the best equipment for you. There are a lot of people who have failed to get the most out of their units because they are not using the best equipment, or they are not aware of the things that will help them find the best. In this article, we will be discussing more about the things that you need to consider when looking for your HVAC equipment to ensure that you will get the most out of your unit. The first thing that you need to take note is the brand and model of the HVAC that you are using. This will make it easy for you to find the most suitable and most compatible equipment that you can use with it. There are a lot of things that you need to consider when looking for one, but if you know the brand and the model of your machine, everything will be a lot easier. However, if you want to save more time when looking for the best, then it would be very advisable for you to simply get a technician who can help you find it. You may also want to consider the size of your house or room where you are using your HVAC. This will help you determine the power and the size of the equipment that you are going to buy. There are a lot of people who are spending a lot of money to buy the best equipment possible, but the truth is that you don't need to have the best. Just make sure that you are going to consider your budget, and you will be able to get the best HVAC equipment that you need. Of all the things that you can do in order to find HVAC equipment, the best advice that I can give you is to get a technician who can help you with it. There are a lot of advantages that you can get from getting someone who knows HVAC, and one of these is that you can be assured with the quality of the service. You don't have to spend a lot of time in making your system work, and you don't have to spend time to learn about the things that you can do to find the best equipment that you can use. Are you still looking for a Phoenix HVAC repair? http://phoenixvots.us/ service that can provide you with everything that you need? If yes, then visiting our website will be of great help for you. Our experience in this industry will ensure that you will get the most out of your system. Visit our website now to find out why we are now considered as the best HVAC repair in Phoenix. http://phoenixvots.us/. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Earl_Rubel/1375212